silver hits the ground, a quiet whisper, gentle sound. The keys of life is softly played, guiding me through the gray. Clouds collide in a muted roar, echoes bounce off the forest floor. Fingers dance on ivory's gleam, chasing fragments of a dream. Echoes in the rain, calling my name, washing my soul, never the same.